829.24, taking the 9,000 BTU Senville. I have the tool. You have the tool.
Yep.
Over there. Oh, here. So we're taking out the bracket. So we just pushed this out and we got this one up. All right. So now we have to worry about this one. Okay. And then we have to worry about the water drain. So we're going to disconnect this one. This one looks like it's been closed up and special cap, no open now, open later. And then we have to put the nylog here. Oh, this go through the outside, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then, so here's the importante. How, put back. So here, how you take this out. This one how? Go like this.
Clip.
Okay, so we have to put the screwdriver here and push, push,
Yes.
and then go up,
Yes.
alto.
So take it off only this.
Okay, so now we know
The same. Yeah.
the same.
Take it off. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we need a flathead screwdriver. No, here too big? Maybe, huh?
Yeah.
Could work. Okay, we go see.
Take it off.
All right.
Okay.
Oh, down? I don't think of down. I only think of up. I think only the top, right?
Yeah.
Let me see what the top with the bottom. Oh, this is the bottom.
Bottom?
Yeah. So you put the screwdriver in and you pull out.
Okay.
So it goes out and then up. Yeah, push this way.